We're beautiful.
Hello Pisces, welcome back to Angels Light Tarot. Thank you for stopping by for your weekly general message for May 25th through May 31st. Okay, of course, we are starting with the Love Bird bonus for all of you that are in a beautiful love bond. Just a spot check, remember, check your playlist, check the playlist for your full Love Bird message for the month of May or June. Not quite worked on July yet, but yes. Go ahead and check the playlist. Angels and guys, positive energy for all of you lovebirds that are Pisces. What is going on in your beautiful love bond, Pisces? Love bond, romantic love bond, positive energy. Forgiveness. Yes. In your love bond and travel. Who's traveling this week? Who's making plans to travel? Yes. I feel like there is a travel, forgiveness, changes, all of that. Yes. Maybe you're planning a trip together because you've forgiven them. Okay, all right. Now, the trip could be to the backyard for a picnic. The trip could be, something like that. Okay, all right. Let's get right into, wait. I forgot to do, what's the love energy around singles? What is the love energy around singles? Yes, I've been requested to do love energy for singles. Positive energy. I feel like, what is going on here? Singles, forgiveness, resolving conflict and compatibility. Is there someone you want to get back with, but you have to work some things out first? Yeah, I feel like you guys are very compatible, but you're trying to get over something, and someone needs to forgive someone else before you get back. So that might be a while, but you're working on it, okay? All right, now let's get into the general message for Pisces for May the 25th through May the 31st. Angels and guides, we're looking for positive energy. Positive energy for Pisces. Yes. For 7 little days. Yes. Okay, Pisces, what is going on? We're moving on to the purple deck for Pisces. 7 little days, angels. Just 7 little days. That is it. Come on, angels. Thank you, angels. We're looking for some positive energy for Pisces. Thank you, angels. Thank you. These are all upright. Yes. We're looking for the positive energy. Yes. That the angels have to, bestow upon Pisces. Positive energy. Yes, one more, please. Just one more, angels. Just one more. Yes. Now, we are moving on to my mama's deck. You're like, Dora, what in the heck are you doing? Yeah, I know. There's a method to my madness. Okay, angels, we're looking for some positive energy for, for Pisces for 7 little days. 7 little days, angels. That is it. Just 7 little days. Yes. And we are the Angels deck. Did we already do this one? No, we did not. Okay, so we're moving right along. You're like, Dora, how many cards are you putting down there? Well, we got some messages to deliver, okay? All right, angels. Yes, we have messages to deliver. Positive energy. Yes. For Pisces. We're going to top it off with yes. Where is that hummingbird deck? Here it is. We're going to, did we get, oh, you know what? We forgot the Angels of Light deck. You're like, Dora, get it together. Angels and guides, the more sporadic I feel, the more accurate this reading is going to be, because it's just like, okay, angels, okay. There's no timing on your side. No timing on your side. Angels and guides, positive energy for Pisces. We're getting there. Remember, just do that. Positive energy. Thank you, thank you, thank you for Pisces. May 25th through May 31st. Yes, yes, yes. 2 more angels. Just 2 more for Pisces. Just 2 more. Thank you. 1 more, please. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, are we ready, Pisces? Let's tidy up a bit, shall we? Shall we? Because there's a bit. There we go. All right, so Pisces' main theme for the week is the Magician card with the Sacrifice and the 4 of Spades, Jack of Diamonds. Clear your space. Angel of Sweet Delight, 2 of Clubs, and the 6 of Clubs. So I definitely feel like you are manifesting this week. You are definitely putting out into the universe what you want. And you know what? You're telling the universe, I'm willing to make the sacrifice. I'm definitely willing to make the sacrifice for the security that I am looking for. Security in finances, security in love, security in life, security in my home. You're willing to sacrifice, right? With the Jack of Diamonds, I definitely feel like there is something creative financially that you are doing. It could be creative in the arts. It could be creative in your job. It could be a side hustle. It could be writing a book, starting a YouTube channel, right? It's clear your space. You know what? Make space for this new that is coming, that you're willing to make a sacrifice for. I feel like with the Sweet Delight, you will be so delighted that you have started it. With the 2 of Clubs, I see you talking about, yeah, you're telling somebody, this has always been a part of your purpose, your life's purpose. Yes, it is, and you're willing to sacrifice for it. Okay, now when we look in the recent past, we have the 9 of Wands. Yes, with the Balance card, and the 6 of Diamonds with the Jack of Spades, the Gentleness, beautiful. The Angel of Spiritual Exploration, Jack of Diamonds again, and the Ace of Spades. You are doing something creative. Okay, so I definitely feel in the past you have been through it. I'm just going to say it. You've been through it, Pisces. And you're like, oh, this was in the recent past. You're like, is this almost done? Like, is this almost done, right? You need some balance in your life, kind of like a Libra. You need some balance, right? With the 6 of Pentacles, 6 of Diamonds, you felt like this has been going on for quite some time, and you feel there was some shenanigans. Yeah, some untruths maybe, right? But you handled it with gentleness. Like, you didn't get upset. You didn't blow off steam or anything like that. You went within and you just let it go, because you know what? You realize a Jack is just going to be a Jack, right? And with this Ace of Spades, I see you transformed, and you just decided, you know what? I can't change it. So it's, what is that saying? If you can't beat it, join it. That's what I feel in the recent past. If I can't beat it, join it, right? Now, in the middle of the week, we have the World card. How beautiful. Patience and planning. The Queen of Spades, the Queen of Diamonds, moon cycles, Angel of Nurturing, 10 of Spades, and the 5 of Hearts. So I definitely feel in the middle of the week, whoa, so things are going the way you want them to now. Yes, things are going the way you want them to. How awesome is that? There is some patience and planning, because I feel like things have switched so quick that now it's like, okay, so how do I do this? And things are going my way, right? Things are going my way. With the Queen of Spades, how do I handle all of this? How do I handle this? With the Queen of Diamonds, I see you are definitely in charge right now. But you're wondering, is this going to last with the moon cycles? You're wondering, is this going to last? With the Angel of Nurturing, I feel like, you know what? For right now, just take it. Just accept it for what it is. With the 10 of Spades, will it be successful? Yes, it will, but your feelings will change. Your feelings will change about it. Yeah, definitely change. So you're wondering, is all this goodness, is it really, is this really happening? Let me pinch myself. Is this really happening? let me take this slow. Definitely let me take this slow. Let me enjoy it. Let me enjoy this goodness, right? Because you're feeling like, I don't know, I think this might change, right? Now, when we look by the end of the week, we have the Knight of Swords reversed with the Hope card, and the Two of Spades with the Five of Clubs, and the Compassion with the Angel of Serenity, the Three of Spades, and the Two of Spades. So I feel like by the end of the week, you're feeling like, you know what? Where are you going, Pisces? I see you going somewhere quickly, right? I see you going somewhere quickly with hope in your wings, right? You're off to a new adventure. You're off to a new adventure passionately, and you're hoping, yes, this has something to do with a friend, a partner, but you're going quickly. But you might change your mind on your way. You might change your mind on your way, and if they might change their mind on their way, right? But have compassion in this. Definitely have compassion. Have serenity, knowing that, you know what, it's okay if people change their mind. It's okay if you change your mind, right? Because I feel like you're a bit worried. You're a bit worried about a partner or a friend. Yes, I definitely feel that. It could be a love partner. It could be a financial partner. It could be a business partner. But I feel like it's almost like you're needing to get there. You're needing to get there to your friend, your partner, your business partner, your romantic partner, your financial partner. And then something happens, something changes. But have compassion in that change. Okay? Know that it's okay for things to change. Maybe it's okay for you to change your mind on your way there, or them to change their mind on their way there. Yes, does seem a little bit crazy, but you know that person, or you know that situation, right? Now, when we look at your bonus, Pisces, we have the Four of Wands reversed with the Ten of Wands, with the Four of Cups, the Four of Swords reversed, the Hermit card reversed, the Heart chakra, the King of Diamonds, the Three of Diamonds, gifts from God, Angel of Frolic, Nine of Hearts, and the Seven of Hearts. So I definitely feel that things in your emotional state, things in your home, or things in your relationship sector, it's there, but it's not where you want it to be. It seems a little bit more work this week. It feels like you're focusing on, you're wondering, I feel you're in your emotions about it, and you're not certain about it. And I feel like you've done a lot of soul searching in reference to this. With the Hermit card reversed, you've done more soul searching than you care to talk about. Yeah, you've done it all, right? With the Heart chakra, but you're tied to this. You're definitely like, I really have a love for this. And with this King of Diamonds, I feel like whatever the situation is, I feel like if this is a person, sometimes this person isn't very nice. And if this is you, I feel like you're all about business. You're trying to get out of your heart, and you're more trying to get into your, okay, let me get into my business. Let me focus on my business, right? Let me focus on all of my creative endeavors, which are a gift from God, right? And the Angel of Frolic, I definitely feel there is an element of, let me just detach for a little while. And yes, I'm definitely going to detach. Yes, I'm definitely going to detach. And I'm definitely, with the Seven of Hearts, it's almost like you're saying, I'm not getting hurt in this. I'm detaching. I'm definitely detaching. And I'm going to, like, it's almost like you've been through it. You've been through this before. And I see you focusing less on emotions and more on, let me handle my scandal, let me handle my business. Okay, that's because it's almost like, you know what, this is taking too much of my time. This emotional part is taking too much of my time. I need to get more into because you're whoever this person is, I feel like this person is changing their mind a lot, and it's kind of driving you a little bit like bonkers. So I feel like this is a time to disconnect, and go focus on you. Go focus on, now I'm not saying break it off or let it go. I'm just saying disconnect energetically, emotionally, and go focus on your life's purpose. Okay, so I send you joy, namaste, and much, much love sent your way.